When it's 105 outside and your customers are screaming that their AC systems are acting more like a gym sauna than the mobile refrigerators that they're hoping for, you better have the right tools on hand to assess and repair the problem. The OrionMotorTech AC gauge set is the tool I reach for, and after countless vehicles and diagnosis, this set has served me very well. Now in my business, time is money, and I can't be bothered with anything that may interfere with the bottom line, especially lost or broken tools. Let's face it, the more sophisticated the tool, the more parts. The more parts, the more chance of something breaking or getting lost. This kit includes 2 R410 angled adapters, 1 R410 straight adapter, 1 R134A high pressure coupler, 1 R134A low pressure coupler, 1 R134A can tap valve, 1 Acme tank adapter, and 1 valve core remover. Made from premium brass as well as aluminum alloys, all parts are, when applicable, welded firmly, and parts are corrosive resistant at high and low temperatures. The quick connectors give you a tight, easy, and accurate snap lock, while the knurled grip ring provides easy operation. All parts are precision engineered to ensure an airtight fit, and for that added sense of security, you can rest assured that OrionMotorTech is there if you need them. If you have any issues with your purchase, customer service will do their very best to help you solve your problem.